How to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. So let's get started. First thing, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction, that is to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. Follow these steps. That means subscribe to YouTube TV. So you need a subscription to access actually ESPN2, which is included in the channel lineup. So once you access the channel, you have to subscribe to it, and you can find ESPN2 in the live TV section of YouTube TV. So simply select ESPN2 to start streaming live content. So let me show you an example. So if it's your YouTube TV, just click on the search bar and just search in for ESPN, and you should see all of your ESPN section. So simply select any one of these, and once you scroll down all the way, you will be finding ESPN2 as well, just below the ESPN, just like this. So you just have to search for a bit, and once you find it, simply select it and you can start streaming or watching ESPN2 on YouTube. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.